Hope you will be fine. Today we will discuss about the concept of function in C language. Now, in a C language, we are creating a program, and a C program is divided into basic building blocks, and these basic building blocks are known as functions. Now, the function contains the set of programming statements enclosed by the parenthesis. Now we can say that a function can called multiple times to provide reusability and modularity in a C program. Now, the most important advantage we got from a function is reusability and modularity. Reusability means once the program is written, it can be used later. Modularity means we can divide a program in number of modules. Now we can also say that the collection of functions creates a program. It means we can create number of functions, and by combining these functions we will get a program. Now, function is also known as procedure or subroutine. Now, what are the advantages of functions? Let us see. The first one is, by using functions we can avoid rewriting same logic or code again and again in a program. Now we can call C functions any number of times in a program, and from any place in a program. Now we can track a large C program easily when it is divided into multiple functions. Fourth advantage is reusability. Is the main advantage of C function. The code once written can be used many number of times. Now if we have a function, then there are three aspects. Number one, function declaration. Function call, and the third one is function definition. Now the syntax for these three are given by, if we want to declare a function, then we have to use a return type, then function name, and inside bracket argument list. For example, integer add inside integer a, integer b. So this is return type, this is the function name, and this is the argument list. Now we have a function call. In order to call a function, we just have to give the name of the function. Function name, and inside argument list. For example, add 8 and 9. So function is called with the help of function name and the argument that it receives, and the function definition is mentioned outside the main function. So hope you have understood this one. Thank you very much.